Tim writes, it was
the
a
hatch.
recall on the hatch cover of the motor. That's why they would not let me take it. Said
Yeah.
Kawasaki was putting a hold on all sales.
Yep. So you want to know why this is what I heard. So a bunch of guys, I would never recommend storing your ski outside without a cover, but plenty of people do it, right?
Okay.
So there was a gentleman who I had actually spoken with. He had purchased 2 brand new 2023 310Xs. And wealthy gentleman, a doctor, he had them on a boat lift behind his house.
Okay.
Decided he was wealthy enough that he didn't need a cover. If they got messed up, he'd trade them in, I guess, in a year or whatever.
Okay.
So somehow he goes to ride the skis, and they're both completely full to the top of water, the engine bay. As it turns out, and any guy that owns a 310 will tell you this, some of them, the little translucent door has a bit of a gap between the seal and the clasp on the door.
Okay.
Water, if the ski is angled just right, can run right down. So it runs down the handlebar.
Right.
So it runs through the handlebar, and then it's supposed to go out either side in front of the seat. But in this case, it ran right into the engine compartment, filled up his engine compartment, and destroyed
the whole year.
Yeah, and I'm sure he was one of many who this happened to.
Okay.
So Kawasaki has, voluntarily modified. And again, I reached out for clarification on this as well. Have not received a response yet, but I'm curious. I don't actually know what the modification is going to look like. Mine's been ordered. I'm just waiting on it. So we'll see. I'll let you know when I get it to see exactly what maybe K-Speed knows. I don't know if they've gotten
that's enough to put a hold on sales.
I don't know. I mean, maybe if they're back ordered and they can't get them in time, they don't want to sell. I could appreciate them not wanting to send a customer a ski that could potentially, cause them to have the ski destroyed. But at the same time, they've sold plenty of them with the existing cover. So,
all it takes is informing. Well, of course, I'm asking a miracle to happen, and that is having intelligent salespeople that
yeah. You never.
But all it takes is a piece of paper saying, "Listen, this is a voluntary recall. When you have these in stock, alert the customer, have them come in. It takes 3 minutes to swap it out."
Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.